Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Yo. Most Windows 11 users barely scratch the surface of what their computer can actually do. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the most useful, underrated, and genuinely powerful Windows 11 features, the kind of features that once you start using them, you can't go back. And trust me, some of these are seriously game-changing. Let's get started. Feature 1. Clipboard History. Let's start with something incredibly useful that many people don't even know exists. Press Windows plus V. This opens clipboard history. Instead of storing just one copied item, Windows remembers multiple things you've copied. Text, links, images, everything. If you work with documents, assignments, coding, or researcher, this feature alone saves tons of time. Feature 2. Snap Layouts. Windows 11 multitasking is on another level thanks to Snap Layouts. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button, you'll see layout options to instantly organize your windows. Perfect for studying, editing, comparing files, productivity workflows. Once you get used to this, normal window dragging feels ancient. Feature 3. Virtual Desktops. This feature is criminally underused. Press Windows plus Tab, create multiple desktops, separate your digital life, work desktop, study desktop, entertainment desktop, personal desktop. Your PC suddenly feels cleaner, faster, and more organized. Feature 4. Focus Sessions. If distractions destroy your productivity, this one is gold. Open the Clock app, and then Focus Sessions. It integrates with notifications and helps you work in deep focus intervals. Especially useful for students, deep work, and task concentration. Feature 5. Storage Sense. Most users manually clean their PC or don't clean it at all. Windows 11 can do this for you. Go to Settings, System, Storage. Storage Sense. It automatically removes junk files, temporary data, and recycle bin clutter. Less junk equals smoother performance. Feature 6. New Task Manager. The redesigned Task Manager is far better. Right-click Taskbar, Task Manager. You can identify slow apps, monitor CPU, RAM usage, disable startup programs, and fix performance issues. If your PC ever feels slow, this tool is your best friend. Feature 7. Quick Settings Panel. Windows 11 simplified system controls. Click Network, Volume, Battery icon, instant access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, volume, airplane mode. Small improvement, huge daily convenience. Feature 8. Screenshot Tool. Forget print screen chaos. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. You can capture full screen, specific window, custom selection, perfect for tutorials, assignments, troubleshooting, or sharing information. Feature 9. Hidden Power Menu. Here's a power user shortcut. Press Windows plus X, instant access to advanced tools, Task Manager, Device Manager, Disk Management, Terminal, Settings. Feels like unlocking a secret control panel. Feature 10. Dark Mode and Visual Customization. Because performance matters, but aesthetics matter too. Go to Settings, Personalization, Colors, enable dark mode. Easier on the eyes, cleaner look, and honestly, just feels better. Bonus, speed boosting habits. Quick pro habits, limit startup apps, keep storage space free, restart occasionally, update Windows regularly. Small habits equals long-term performance. And that's it. These are Windows 11 features that genuinely improve how your computer feels and works. If you discovered something new today, hit like, subscribe to Tech with Yo, and comment below. Which feature are you going to start using? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.